You probably pick it up about halfway through. You have to think that I've lost 1'2" in height. In height, I'm 5'4¾". I'm blessed with a wife and 3 beautiful daughters, and all my life I have wanted to be a policeman or police person, to be PC. But they said, you're too small, we cannot employ you. You might fool the crooks, but the lads would destroy you. They wouldn't relent unto my demands. So I took the law into my own 2 soft hands. I purchased a bright yellow waterproof jacket. It's meant for a yachtsman, it cost me a packet. And from the milkman, that helpful, amenable chap, he gave me for nothing his 2nd best cap. Apart from all this unusual attire, I borrowed my wife's dark brown plastic hairdryer. And during morning and evening rush hours, I point it at cars, oh I do love the power. You should see their faces. They stand on their brakes, they slow down to 30 each white knuckle shapes. I take their number down on my clipboard, and nobody ever suspects I'm a fraud. They trundle off home at the pace of a snail and wait for the summons to come in the mail, and their licence to be shredded and thrown in the bin by a man with a Bifco that isn't plugged in. I haven't told you where that I live. That's information I'm not going to give. So you'll never know the next copy you see is the genuine article or merely me. You'll never know if that cop's a real cop. Have you been fooled by a hat from the local co-op? Have you slowed to a crawl by a man standing there with a wife, 3 daughters, with slightly damp hair? Hairdryer by Richard.